and welcome. This is Sadhusman. In today's video, we are going to discuss the in operator in Power BI DAX. The in operator allows you to put multiple OR conditions in a DAX formula. Let's see an example. In this table, I have sales values of different product categories, and my requirement is to calculate the sales value of three of these product categories, which are laptop, monitors, and routers. So we can use a calculate formula along with the OR operator to do the same. Let's create a new measure and see how it's done. Let's call this formula laptop monitors routers. And I'm going to apply the calculate function. I already have a measure total sales. And I will put the condition product category equals laptop. And then I'm going to apply the double pipe sign, which is equivalent to the OR condition here. The next OR condition is monitors. Again, a double pipe sign. And my final condition is routers. And I will now put this measure in the table. So you can see that we have the value of laptop, monitors, and routers in this column. If I were to only see the values against my target product categories and not against every other product category, I can wrap this condition with keep filters. For example, keep filters and close the bracket here. And now we'll see sales values only against my target product categories. I can apply the same formula using the in operator. Let's copy the formula and create a new measure. Let's call this measure laptop monitor routers in. And now I will have to just change my formula a little bit by adding the in words along with the curly brackets. The list of values for which I want to see the sales will be provided within the curly brackets. So laptop, monitors, and now finally the routers. I can add or delete as many categories from this list as I want. So this is how I formula is done. Let me close this. Let's put this measure inside this table and you will see the same result as before. So the in operator makes it relatively easier to apply different OR conditions within a DAX formula. Let's suppose if I were to calculate the sales value of all the product categories except these three. Let's create a new measure. Let's call it not in. And I can add the words not before the product category list and finally close it with a closing bracket. And let's put this formula in the table. So there we have another formula now, and it shows the sales value of all the product categories which are not in the list, that is not laptop, not monitors, and not routers. So this is how you can apply the in condition, the in operator in the DAX formula very easily. It makes it relatively easier to apply multiple OR conditions. I hope you would have enjoyed the video, and thanks for watching.